Have you ever been stung by a bee, cut your finger, or twisted your elbow? Did you experience the redness, pain, heat, and swelling that usually accompany such an experience? These are examples of inflammation, a basic survival mechanism that defends the body from injury and infection. Inflammation is the body's way of activating the immune system when anything threatens to invade or harm it. Inflammation, however, is not always good. Some factors like obesity, lack of exercise, smoking, and chronic stress can result in chronic inflammation. When inflammation persists, even when there is no illness, harm, or infection to fight off, the body becomes more prone to a variety of diseases and health problems. This video aims to show you how to fight chronic inflammation by including certain foods in your diet. Watch the video to its conclusion and you will learn how to effectively reduce the threat of a wide range of medical problems and diseases by eating the right kind of food. A diet that is rich in anti-inflammatory foods helps decrease inflammation. It lowers the risk of chronic diseases like Alzheimer's, cancer, depression, heart disease, stroke, and diabetes. It helps prevent or alleviate problems like allergies, asthma, gout, arthritis, and irritable bowel syndrome. Research shows that the following foods are the best ones to eat when you want to fight chronic inflammation. Number 1. Fatty fish. Fish like sardines, salmon, herring, anchovies, and mackerel are not only rich in protein, but also in EPA and DHA, omega fatty 3 acids, which are recognized for their ability to reduce inflammation. Number 2. Fruits. There is a wide selection of delicious fruits that are packed with anti-inflammatory compounds. Grapes are rich in anthocyanins, which lower inflammation. Tomato is a powerhouse of nutrients, including vitamin C, lycopene, and potassium, compounds that contain incredible anti-inflammatory properties. Cherries are crammed with catechins and anthocyanins, antioxidants that counter inflammation. Avocado is called a superfood because of the incredible amount of fiber, magnesium, potassium, carotenoids, tocopherols, and heart-friendly monounsaturated fats that it contains. Strawberries, blackberries, blueberries, and raspberries are small fruits that are crammed not only with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, but also with antioxidants, compounds that help boost immunity and fight the adverse effects of inflammation. Number 3. Cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, and kale are exceptionally nutritious vegetables associated with lowering the risk of cancer and heart disease. They are great sources of sulforaphane, an antioxidant recognized for its powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Number 4. Nuts. Walnuts, pecans, pistachios, almonds, hazelnuts, and pine nuts are not only tasty, convenient, and fun to eat, they also pack a wallop of healthy fat that reduces inflammation. Number 5. Herbs and spices. Herbs and spices not only add flavor to food, they are also packed with antioxidants. Spice up your food with garlic, cinnamon, turmeric, black pepper, and other ingredients to add strong, earthy flavors, as well as anti-inflammatory compounds to your food. Number 6. Green leafy vegetables. Collards, kale, spinach, and other leafy green vegetables are rich in fiber, vitamin K, and other anti-inflammatory compounds. Number 7. Beans and lentils. Include black beans, red beans, and pinto beans in your diet. They are packed with fiber and antioxidants that help fight inflammation. In summary, anti-inflammatory foods not only help improve your physical health, they also boost your emotional well-being. They increase energy, improve mood, and enhance the general quality of your life. Include these 7 best anti-inflammatory foods in your diet, and you are guaranteed to experience a boost in both your physical and emotional health. If you like this video, share it with your friends so that they too can live a happier and healthier lifestyle. Subscribe to the channel so you can enjoy many other useful tips and recipes. Thanks for watching.